Feng Shui, the ancient Chinese practice of harmonizing energy, qi, in living and working spaces, plays a critical role in real estate development. Whether designing residential communities, commercial buildings, or mixed-use projects, understanding core Feng Shui principles can enhance property value, attract buyers, and ensure long-term success. This guide covers the essential Feng Shui concepts every real estate developer must know, from land selection to architectural design, and how to apply them for maximum ROI. 1. The fundamentals, qi, yin-yang, and the 5 elements. A. Qi, energy flow. Good qi equals smooth, meandering pathways, like a gentle river. Bad qi, sha qi, equals harsh, straight lines, for example, roads pointing at a building. How to apply: avoid T-junction land plots, roads shooting directly at the property. Use curved walkways instead of sharp angles. Be yin-yang balance. Yin, passive energy, equals dark, quiet, soft, bedrooms, spas. Yang, active energy, equals bright, loud, dynamic, lobbies, offices. How to apply: balance light and shadow in building design. Avoid overly dark, yin, or overly bright, yang, interiors. C. The 5 elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, water. Each element influences different aspects of life. Wood represents growth and health. Recommend to be used in lobbies, plants, green walls. Fire represents fame, energy. Uses red accents, lighting in social spaces. Earth represents stability. Should be applied as square shapes, terracotta materials. Metal means precision. Apply as metal frames, white/gray colors. Water represents wealth. Useful applications are fountains, reflective surfaces. Tip: avoid clashing elements, for example, too much water in a fire sector. 2. Land selection, the most critical Feng Shui factor. A. The dragon vein, land formation. The ideal land has a mountain or tall structure behind. Black tortoise equals support, lower land in front. Ming Tang equals opportunities, gentle slopes, no steep cliffs. Example: a Hong Kong luxury development increased sales by 25% after adjusting its layout to face water, wealth attraction. B. Avoid poison arrows, sha qi threats. What to watch for: sharp angles from neighboring buildings, electrical towers or cemeteries nearby, dead-end streets. Solutions: use landscaping, trees, shrubs, to block negative energy. Install a pa kua mirror to deflect harm. 3. Building design, Feng Shui for architecture. A. The main entrance, mouth of qi, must be prominent and welcoming. Avoid doors directly facing stairs/elevators, wealth loss. Narrow, cramped entrances. B. The wealth corner, southeast sector, enhance with water features, indoor fountains, aquariums, living plants, lucky bamboo, money trees. C. Bedrooms versus kitchens. Bedrooms equals should be in quiet, yin areas. Kitchens equals must not face the front door. Financial drain. Case study: a Shanghai condo project repositioned kitchens away from entrances, leading to 18% faster sales. 4. Feng Shui fixes for existing properties. Even if a building has poor Feng Shui, small adjustments can help. White check mark, mirrors, expand space and deflect negative energy. White check mark, crystals, citrine, wealth, amethyst, harmony. White check mark, wind chimes, disrupt stagnant qi. White check mark, lighting, brighten dark corners. 5. Why smart developers use Feng Shui: higher resale value. Feng Shui certified homes sell at a 10 to 20% premium. Faster sales. Buyers in Asia prioritize good Feng Shui, better tenant retention. Harmonious spaces equals happier occupants. Final tip: consult a Feng Shui master before finalizing blueprints. It's cheaper than fixing mistakes later.